Get free money on Cash App instantly with these proven 2225 methods. Let's cut to the chase. You're not broke because you're lazy. You're broke because everything keeps costing more and income just isn't keeping up. You're working, you're trying, but somehow you're still falling behind. One emergency, and suddenly you're back at zero, scrambling to stretch every dollar. Now imagine if Cash App dropped $1,000 into your account. Instantly, no loans, no repayments, just real, usable cash. That's exactly what these 2025 Cash App methods are about, proving ways to get paid fast using features already built into the app. Here are a few of the most overlooked ways people are getting free money on Cash App right now. 1. Verified reward campaigns. Cash App partners with brands that pay you to try their services. Things like signing up for a trial, completing a task, or activating a boost offer. The catch? Most people never even check the rewards tab. 2. Digital product referrals. There are third-party platforms that integrate with Cash App, and when you promote them and your link gets used, cash hits your account, sometimes $50, $100, even more depending on the offer, and it's all legal, above board, and completely online. 3. Community cash drops. Yep, real people and businesses host giveaways through Cash App. You follow the right pages, show up during a live or complete simple task, and you're entered to win. Many winners walk away with $250, $1,000 just for being in the right place at the right time. 4. The $1,000 direct payout program. This one's the big one. Right now, Cash App has partnered with a reward network that offers a $1,000 payout if you qualify. It's not a loan. You do not pay it back. It's real money you can use for rent, bills, groceries, or just breathing room. Think about the difference an extra $1,000 would make for you right now. No more overdraft notices. No more robbing from one bill to pay another. No more saying, I'll figure it out, when you're barely holding it together. That cash could restore your peace. That cash could give you options. That cash could get you back to focusing on life instead of surviving it. And let's be real. When you're not stressing about money, you perform better at your job. You show up with energy. You think more clearly. You stop dragging your feet because now you've got a cushion under you. So here's how to tap in. Click the link in the pinned comment. Apply for the $1,000 Cash App payout. Use the proven methods shared to start stacking instantly. No fluff, no guessing, just results. Click the pinned comment now. Your $1,000 is waiting.